Hi, 同学们好。Ethan 老师 is going to teach you how to use Google Vid to record your screen. So sometimes you use Screencastify or the video recording from your own Chromebook. You have trouble. There is another tool is Google Vids. So what are you going to do is come to the assignment that I give you or just open a new Google Vid. Once you have it, for instance, this is the assignment we're about to do. So once you have this page, you're going to see the keywords and you're going to use the keyword to remind you the sequence of the story and retell the story. So how do you record yourself telling me the story? What you're going to do is you go to the right side. Your right side may look a little bit different than mine because I'm the teacher view. So you will find something look like this, have a recording button. So once you click on that, you will have some options. What are you going to do? You can choose camera or camera and your screen or just your screen or you give a voiceover. Depends on the instruction that I'm giving you. Sometimes if you just record your own face, then you choose camera. If I want both your screen and your face, you use camera and screen. After you choose this, click on start recording and then you will see this page coming up and they will ask you which one do you want to use. You can choose the tab or entire screen. If you're not sure, just choose entire screen. But if you know what you want to do, just choose that particular tab. So once you're ready, because right now I'm using another app to record. Right now it has a little orange exclamation point, means there are conflicts of the microphone. So you click on this big red button and then start recording yourself telling me the story. Start recording, blah, 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 blah. Once you're done, then click on the big red button again and then you're done. You can do a review, but if you think it's good, just do an insert. And then you will be sent back to your screen. Right here is your recording. So once you hear and you say, hey, how do I export it as a video? So once you're done recording, telling me the story, you go to the share, you click on the share, and then here it says either export to drive, download as MP4. I highly recommend you just copy the link and then go back to Google Classroom and submit the link. But make sure before you do that, you need to open the share, create whatever the name, and then save. And then so that you can open this, at least leave it as Jeffco Public School so that I can see. But if it's for some other assignment you want everybody has a link to see, then you can choose a third one. For now, let's choose this and then you grab the link. If you don't do this step, I will not be able to see your video. Once that's it done, click on copy link and then upload in Google Classroom. You're completely done. Let me know if you have questions. If your audio is not working, most likely when there is a window pop up, can I use your audio system? You probably missed it. Just clear your cookie by go to the three dots on your Chrome and then clear the cookie and then restart Google Vid. It will help fix that. If you have further questions, come talk to me or email me and then we'll figure it out together. Thank you.